Hi, today we're going to do a cheesecake. Now, this is my first time doing cheesecake, but I want to do it. Anyways, if you want to start with the crust, however, I mean, you're optional. You can buy your crust already made, or you can buy graham crackers and make your own. That's what I did. If you do make your own, you want to get a bag like this and just start crushing on the, keep crushing on. It takes a little while, but anyways, you want a cup. 1 cup and a fourth. Okay, you want to start with 1 cup, and then you want to do a fourth. You want to put it right there. Okay. Next, you want to have 6 teaspoons. Six teaspoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That should it right there. Next, you want a fourth of sugar. And to make this sugar-free cheesecake, for the ones that can't have sugar, Splendid is your optional. Anyways, put that in there. What you want to do next, you want to take your spatula or anything else, or this perhaps, and you want to kind of stir this in there real good like until it forms a sandy like. Making this, you want to make sure you have a good pan. That kind of pan anyways. You want to take your Bake Joy. Look at okay, it's good enough for me. Doing this, you want to kind of make sure like that. Anyways, now for the cheese cream, you want 5 8-ounce packages of this cream cheese here, and you're going to put it in the blender. Okay, I'll do this. Okay. Next, you want sour cream. You want 1 cup of sour cream, and I use fat-free because I don't want it to be too fattening. So you take 1 cup of this, put it in with cheese cream. Okay. Next, you want 4 eggs. Next, you want to use 1.5 cups of Splendid. So 1 flour, full cup. 1 full cup. Then you'll do a half of 1. And last to least, you want a 1/4 of a cup of flour. And then you want a touch of vanilla here. Okay. We'll put the blender on and give this a good whipping. that looks good. Before it goes into the oven, that's the cheesecake, and we'll take a look at it after it comes out of the oven. Alright, thanks. Okay, this is what it looks like when it's completely done. My first cheesecake, and I will give it a taste test in a couple hours. I'm gonna refrigerate it. It just now got cooled off a little bit, but I want to refrigerate before I taste it.